how you take off the crank sensor, or the crank angle sensor. Seems to be the same one on this 2007 Kia Amanti. There is your problem right there. But and it goes down. Take the wheel off. Take the two tensioners off, loose. Take the belt. Take the harmonic balancer loose, and then you can just take this one plate off. There's one little bolt way up in a hole, but you can just pop it back. And then I used a little 10mm swivel to get it off, and that's where it is, and that's how you do it.